Welcome to the EliteCarbonLA shop, where today we have a BMW E60 coming in to get some replica carbon put onto it. We have a front lip, grills, carbon fiber mirror caps, and a wing as well. So again, this is replica carbon, it's not real carbon. We do offer real carbon as well. This customer did just want to go for the carbon style carbon, but as you can see, it is a beautiful E60 anyway, nonetheless. 550 coming in to get all this put stuff onto it. So I'm about to show you a little bit of before and show you the after, and you let me know how you like it. And just like that, we are done with the E60. As you can see, the carbon fiber grill and lip right there complement each other so well. Then we have the mirror caps in there as well. And of course, can't forget about the wing there, which just makes the rear look just how it should be. So here at EliteCarbonLA, we do offer any type of mod, cosmetic, exhaust, or any type of mod that you need for any year or model, doesn't matter, or make, doesn't matter, what any type of carbon parts. We got downpipes, we got everything. Check out right here some of the stuff that we have in stock right now. Downpipes, carbon fiber steering wheels, all that type of stuff. Pull through if you need anything. We are located in Los Angeles, specifically 10474 Ilex Avenue, Pacoima. So hit us up on our Instagram, EliteCarbonLA, to ask any questions about any parts or anything that you want to get done or fix onto your car. And from there, we got you covered.